It's a girl, Betty. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Life with Betty. So guys, I'm sorry I have not been posting due to my personal issues. I've not been posting, but anyways,
I'm back like I never left.
Anyway, today I'm going to prepare a meal. I'm going to show you how to prepare a wet fry with Sukuma. That's a wet fry of pork. Then Sukuma, just steaming the Sukuma, then my ugali. So today we are going to prepare those things with me. And guys, I hope you enjoyed this. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification button for more interesting videos. I love you guys, and let's begin cooking. Okay, here is my pan, and I'm going to pour some oil. That's enough. I'm going to leave it to boil first, as in ishike hiyo moto, then don't take my knee.
What the fuck is this?
I'm going to put my pork here. I'm sorry about that. Yeah, that's what I'm going to do. Okay guys, tunaweka the pork hapa. Then I'm going to start. Okay, I'm going to start.
Baby, this is do or die. Feel it in my veins tonight.
Okay, I'm going to leave it for that while, so na reduce moto kiasi, then niziache ziboil, si kuboil, niziache zipate hiyo moto zichomeke, then they turn to ile color yenye inakuanga poa, they turn to that color. Okay, ikiendelea na kuiva, nakatakata vitunguu zangu, because next naeka vitunguu. Yeah, so nakatakata vitunguu zangu.
Like the thunder, I was on my way to going under. Swimming in the pain, yeah, I was covered in a tidal wave, in a tidal wave. But I'm a fighter. Try to take me down, I'm going higher. Baby, you've been playing with some fire. You've been playing with fire. One day you'll see what you made of me. Found my enemies.
So I'm through. Yeah, my vitunguu. Okay, this is some minutes after. So naeka vitunguu zangu. Then naeka again. Okay, now I'm going to put my curry powder.
You can save your alibi. I already know you lied.
Then to let vitunguu ziive ndo tuweke nyanya. Actually, before nyanya we have to put our hoho. So nafaa kukatia hoho hapa. Okay, hizo ndo hoho zangu zenye nimeweka. Sijaweka mingi kwa sababu sipendi hoho. Nimeweka tu kiasi. Then I stir ndo niziache ziive, then niweke nyanya. Naona imeshaanza kukaa tasty guys. Just look at that. Okay, nilikuwa nimesahau. I had my salt kiasi. I add salt. Okay, this is salt flakes. So tuna add sasa, we have to add the nyanya. and then mix mpaka nyanya zimix kabisa. Let me show you after nyanya zimemix. Okay guys, okay, this is how it looks after the nyanya. Obviously you can see siko na nyanya mob, so nimeweka kiasi, but if you have a lot nyanya, I advise you tumie mingi. Acha niweke my dania right now to bring the greenish.
Oh no, no, don't even try. Watch the flame in me ignite. You didn't wanna walk the plank. But the ready or not, it came. Baby, it was dark, it was hard to see, and that's when I spark.
See, my meal is okay, imeiva, so nafaa niitoe sasa. This is how it looks. Dai maji yangu ya ugali, tunagojea iboil ndo nipike ugali. Okay, maji yangu imekuwa, so na add unga. As you can see, I'm almost through with cooking my ugali. Yeah, ndo tuende boga ya mwisho, then we serve the meal. Hey guys, this is my ugali. Nimemaliza kupika ugali. Nimewekelea kitunguu ya kusteam my sukuma, so nitaongezea chumvi ndo niweke sukuma zangu. Okay, nitaweka chumvi so. Okay, since nimeziweka, I'm going to reduce my moto, then niziache zisteam.
2,000 years later.
One day you will see what you made of me, what's inside of me.
Hizi zimebakisha kiasi zitoke. Okay, we have come to the end of this amazing video. Thank you guys for being with me throughout as I was cooking from the start to the end. And yeah, I think our product imetokea better, but not best the way I was expecting. But sorry, I didn't have the tomato paste. But the tomato paste hufanya this meal to look so delicious. By the way, you should try tomato paste, using tomato paste instead of a normal tomato, because today I've used a normal tomato, but the results hazijanipendeza vile, but they are okay. Yeah, so this is my final meal. As you can see, this is my final meal and I'm going to eat it. So guys, tune in. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to this YouTube channel, guys, if you haven't subscribed. And guys, okay guys, you are watching but not liking my videos.
Please, 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 I beg you, please.
Nimerudia please mingi, but please guys, like, comment and subscribe. Try this recipe and tell me your results. Bye. See you in the next video. I love you guys so much. Bye.